recommend future talks for students to attend because it's my firm belief that success leaves clues behind of it. So if you want to be successful in the future, you should learn from the ones who already succeed in the technological area.
I would definitely recommend these feature talks. In fact, the upcoming feature talks also, because I believe that attending such feature talks gives you the network to connect to other people, as well as it also gives you an opportunity to learn something new which you wouldn't have thought of earlier.
Today's talk is very, very useful for me, first of all. I get to see the mechanism behind this research of face recognition for animals. I never thought of face recognition being very possible for animals since most animals look similar to each other, unlike human beings. I would really recommend these type of featured talks to my friends. You can become a better tiger student as you get to learn more and more regarding other people's mistakes and other people's achievements.
I would definitely recommend this to my other classmates about this workshop because it's really important because we are still young stars and we don't know a lot. Just learning in classroom is not enough. We should take experiences, learn about experiences from the people who have worked in this industry.
I would very much recommend this to fellow Tiger students, especially those in the information technology major, because the application and material that the speaker talk is very relevant, very up to date, and it presents a really practical application on experience.
Chance favors the ready tiger.